As-Built for AutoCAD. Tutorial. Prepare a drawing for as-built plant tools. After this tutorial, you'll be able to load catalogs, add steel to an active set, configure units and parameters, and insert a point cloud RCP file. To set your catalog spec information, click Edit As-Built Plant Specs from the As-Built Plant ribbon. Click the Load Plant Specs command and navigate to Install Directory /AB Plant Specs. Select the ANSI_specs2021.txt file and click Open. Confirm the warning with OK. Ensure your active set is set to CS300. Note that the current pipe catalog is loaded. In the Current Catalog drop-down, select Steel and click the Right Shift command to transfer all the steel objects to the active set. Click OK to close this dialog box. Click Insert Point Cloud from the As-Built ribbon. Navigate to the petrochem.rcp file that you downloaded and open it. Set length unit of scan to meters and length unit of drawing to inches, international, or millimeters if you work in a metric system. Click OK. Click the Configure command from the As-Built Plant ribbon. The drop-down box should be set to inches, international. Click Next. Click the Parameters command. Ensure these values are set to quarter inch, and 40, or the equivalent of your current units. Click OK and close all the dialog boxes. Now you're ready to start modeling pipe runs or steel structures. In this video, you learned how to load catalogs, add steel to an active set, configure units and parameters, and insert a point cloud RCP file.